This is YVR Homecook. Mic test, 1, 2, 3. Is this turned on? Oh.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is AJ, and this is YVR Homecook. To those of you who are new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining me. You might be wondering, who is this guy that I'm watching? So, who is AJ? Who am I? I make home cooking content and I post it on Instagram. I started my Instagram account in 2020 and I've accumulated almost 10,000 followers. I specialize in Filipino and Asian home cooking, but of course I like to cook my Western dishes here and there once in a while. So you might be wondering why I'm on YouTube. I've been thinking about creating one for the longest time. However, I got burned out. I was working full-time from 9 to 5 and I was making home cooking content at night and I was doing all the work all by myself. And I've been on a break for over a year. In the past 8 months or so, I've been busily preparing for my return to content creation. I recently moved out of my own place where I was living for 2 years, rented out the apartment that I owned, moved back with my parents, and now I have more time to focus on enjoying what I truly love, which is home cooking and making content and sharing them with all of you. I've recharged and I'm ready to get going again. I'm super excited because now I'm also expanding not just to YouTube, but also to TikTok, Facebook, and of course my blog, yvrhomecook.com. Before anything else, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you get a notification every time a new video comes out. Thank you very much for joining me. I appreciate your time, and I can't wait to get on this cooking journey with all of you. Cheers!